Here. I'm at the Victory Warehouse. I'm going over some great products that I have during my season of festivals and bands getting back out there after COVID. The thing we've come up with is blankets and towels for events. I want to show you the smallest one of the two. This one here is beautiful Sherpa blanket. It's 50 by 60 inches. Lots of artwork on here. Bands can put their logo, events can put their image on here too. This is our best-selling smaller blanket. I've also got the popular two-person blanket. It's a 60 by 80, so it's much bigger. The image can print just as well. As you can see, it's pretty fantastic. Sherpa, super warm, big blanket. Used to do this. Everyone thought I was a super guy, so I ended up coming up with a poncho. It's tired of being called superhero guy. Check out the poncho. It morphed into this. This is gonna be the hot seller for the year. Two images, one printed on the front, one on the back. It's big 60 by 80, super warm, same plush lining. This is the poncho. And if that's too warm for you, what we were doing here was hoodies. This can be your band logo, this could be your event logo, but the nice thing about this fleece hoodie is not only is it super cushy and stretchy, it's got all the things you're looking for. The hood and all the graphics you can come up with. Fully sublimatable, 100% made in the USA right here. Isn't that gorgeous? Two front pockets. So it's kind of warm, so I'm gonna go with the long sleeve t-shirt here. This is what the staff guys will probably want to wear to be noticed as event workers, but you can also double another version for the event swag. For t-shirt sales, this is the new higher performance fabric than the average t-shirt. It's got the SPF, it's got breathability, and it's beautiful. Big logo on the back, little logo on the front. And speaking of gender friendly, nothing says it fits everybody like a towel. Look at this, event towels, perfect for going to the beach or a concert, but your band or your event, this is an event towel, can be printed in magnificent color, 30 by 60. This is one example. Here's one that was for a world championship team traveling over, pretty happy with. Again, events, bands, they love this stuff because they can print their oversized logo. And last but not least, for the super active person, especially watermen, we've come up with a seat cover. Look at this. It is the beach towel seat cover. All right, well, I could probably wear it like this because I'm known to do stuff that's a little different, but the seat covers that can be worn on your head too, pretty nice. That's it. That's all I got. Have a good one. See you at the factory or maybe at the beach. Out.